Hey guys, welcome to another video, and today I'm going to discuss something very important from ASO examination point of view. From today morning I have been receiving so many messages and so many mails regarding the conduction of ASO examination, because there was a news clipping today saying that OPSC has denied to conduct the ASO examination, and it created a lot of panic in everybody's mind. So in this video I am going to clear this out for you guys, so stay tuned.
So guys, see, I have been receiving this kind of messages like sir ଶୁଣିବାକୁ ମିଳୁଛି କି ଏବେ OPSC ASO ଆସିବନି sir, official notification କେବେ ଆସିବ, then ସତରେ notification କେତେ post ପାଇଁ ଆସିବ, ସତ news କ'ଣ ଭାଇ କୁହନ୍ତୁ, OPSC ASO ରେ correction ହେଉଛି ବୋଧେ, so they are actually apprehensive what is going to change about the examination pattern or what. Then ଆଜି ସକାଳେ I received one mail about a newspaper clipping, and she was asking me whether the news is true or not, whether it is correct or not. Let's say it. ASO निजुक्ति परीक्षा ପାଇଁ OPSC अराजी. So एटा I have if you read this, एटी लिखा है जे there is a OS community who is playing a role here, and they are trying to shift the examination from OPSC to Odisha Staff Selection Commission, so that their stature will be higher and the OSS cadre or OSS जो हमारा पोस्ट अच्छी ASO पोस्ट अच्छी से cadre जो importance था, it will be reduced in the administration. Okay, so you might have read the entire newspaper clipping, or you can go through, you can just pause the video and you can just go through. There are several data has been quoted here. There is no point of discussing this particular clip. People are quite apprehensive after this newspaper clipping. Actually the panic has increased, so I want to clarify all the confusions in all your minds. Okay, so let's next go to the next slide and see. These are the basically the speculations. एई जिनस गुड़ाक लोक मान पिला मानक मन भितर आसुची जे एई जिनस हेई पारे. एग्जामिनेशन विल बी कंडक्टेड बाय OSSC, देन पोस्ट विल बी कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल. पोस्ट कॉन्ट्रैक्चुअल काले हिजिबो कि, सैलरी तार कमी जिवो कि, एग्जामिनेशन रो प्रोसेस डिले हबो कि, बिकॉज इफ OSSC conducts this examination, then it has a past history of delaying every examination. It has a bad reputation, so people are apprehensive about it. So एई सब गुड़ा कुछ speculations. Okay, so basically एई सब जिनस डिस्कशन करबा आगु we should know that what is the structure, how the government examination is conducted, and केमती recruitment हुए. So basically there are three agencies, three commissions who conduct recruitment process for government posts. Okay, OPSC, Odisha Public Service Commission, Odisha Staff Selection Commission, then Odisha Subordinate Staff Selection Commission. So OPSC actually जो लास्ट 2014 रे जो OPSC रो जो सर्विस आउ तार जो functions गुड़ाक modifications ହେଇଛି, ସେଥିରେ it has been clearly mentioned that it is going to conduct the recruitment process for Group A and Group B gazetted posts, which are 4600 GP and above. देखो, in 7th pay the grade pay system has been removed and the pay matrix system has been introduced, but 2014 रे 7th pay was not introduced, then grade pay system was there. So सेतेबेले 4600 ग्रेड पे आउ एभव रो जो गेजेटेड पोस्ट रहला ग्रुप बी पोस्ट रो आउ ग्रुप ए पोस्ट सेई गुडा रिक्रूटमेंट करिया पई OPSC रो मैंडेट डिसीजन हेतिला. देन OSSC रो रिक्रूटमेंट प्रोसेस रे कोन रहिची, स्टेट कैडर रो जो ग्रुप बी नॉन गेजेटेड पोस्ट रहला 4200 GP एंड ग्रुप सी पोस्ट से गुडा को OSSC कंडक्ट करबो. आउ ओडिशा सबऑर्डिनेट स्टाफ सिलेक्शन डिस्ट्रिक्ट कैडर रो जो पोस्ट रहला से ग्रुप बी नॉन गेजेटेड आउ 4200 ग्रेड पे रो आउ ग्रुप सी रो सेटा OSSC कंडक्ट करबो. ओके, दिस हैज बीन डिसाइडेड अर्लियर. एबे देखिबे हमें जो ASO पोस्ट अछि से विषय आउ तार रिक्रूटमेंट विषय आउ टिके जानिबा. ASO जो पोस्ट अछि इट इज अ 4200 ग्रेड पे. एबे तो नाही से जो 6th पे कमीशन अंडर जतोळे एटा थिला, सेतोळे इट वाज अ 4200 ग्रेड पे पोस्ट. आउ 7th पे कमीशन आसिला परे इट हैज बीन प्लेस्ड इन लेवल 9 Odisha रो 7th पे मैट्रिक्स जो जदि आप देखिए इट हैज़ बीन प्लेस्ड इन लेवल 9 द बेसिक पे इज 35,400 आउ एठी देखो पे मैट्रिक्स रे सिना हटि जाइछि किंतु एमानकर जो रूल्स अछि से रूल्स हिसाब रे 6th पे कमीशन को भी धरुचंती एमाने In 2014, OPSC limitations and functions regulations were modified, and it was introduced that OPSC is going to conduct the recruitments for Group A and Group B post grade pay 4600 and above, as I said in the last slide. Okay, so let's go to the actual notification. Eta 2014 रो notification जो थे कि बाहर थिला देखो तो एठी GA department बाहर करिछि 20th October 2014 रे that civil service and civil posts other than those of group B carrying scale of pay 9,300 to 34,800 in pay band 2 with grade pay of 4,600 and above and group A. So earlier there was a notification सेथरे a modifications कराला 4,600 and above group B posts and group A posts से गुड़ा कर recruitment OPSC करिबो. Arguments in support of recruitment by OSSC and its implications. जदि government decision निये कि ASO examination will be conducted by Odisha Staff Selection Commissions, ताहले कौन हबो? What will be its implications or effects? So as OPSC is an independent constitutional body, it can take its own stand and nothing is binding on it. OPSC is an independent constitutional body. It has its own mandate. कोई एग्जामिनेशन केमिति कंडक्ट करिवो तार प्रॉपर प्रोसीजर और सब जिनस डिसीजन मेकिंग अथॉरिटी इज OPSC. So the government cannot force OPSC to conduct ASO examinations, and specifically after the modifications in 2014. Okay. Consequently, the government will assign the responsibility to the next best examination conducting authority, that is OSSC. Okay, obviously OPSC जदि न करिबो ताले ओडिशा स्टाफ सिलेक्शन कमिशन करिबो. ओडिशा स्टाफ सिलेक्शन कमिशन कले कोन implications आसीबो? तो first and the biggest implications is the stature and reputation of examination post and cadre will be affected. See, ASO गोटे non gazetted group B post हेले भी it has a very important role in the administration. Okay, कहीं कि ना जो administrative जो hierarchy अच्छी जितने ASO is the bottom most post. Okay, in officers hierarchy in Odisha Secretariat, but still it has a very significant role to play. जदि सेटा examination process रे ही किसी compromise हुए कि किसी भी जदि हुए सेतरे जो officers माने who are already in the service in Odisha Secretariat service बा जो माने भी newly appointed हेबे कोठी ना कोठी सेमानकर weightage or importance is going to be reduced. That's the first thing. The second thing is the recent allegations of corruption and investigations against Odisha Staff Selection Commission has tarnished its image. It has lost its credibility as a recruitment commission. Risks of irregularities cannot be denied. See, एबे हमें बिरंची दास रो केस कथा जानी थिले जे there was a hierarchy, there was a proper machinery which was functioning in Odisha Staff Selection Commission. जोधरे पिलामान को पैसा नहीं किसी चाकरी दिया जाउतला बा तार किछि एविडेंस मिलिछि, though it has not been proved or whatever, जहाँ भी हो से विषय में भीतर को जीवानी, but still ସେଇଟା ଗୋଟେ allegations ଆସିଛି, and to an extent it has been proved, it has been highlighted in the media and a lot of people know about this. Okay, so it is going to affect the reputation. Okay, second ଜିନିଷ ହେଉଛି ଗୋଟେ ତାର ଗୋଟେ bad reputation ଅଛି. OSSC as a commission, it has a very bad reputation of delaying everything. ए वर्ष एग्जामिनेशन नोटिफिकेशन बाहरला 2 years पर एग्जामिनेशन होची. सो जो माने भी प्रिपेयर करूचंती फॉर दोज एग्जामिनेशंस which are being conducted by OSSC, they are being suffering, they have been suffering very severely. So again this post ASO post again एथिपे भी बहुत पिला प्रिपेयर होचंती से माने भी they are going to suffer. Okay, sentiments and confidence of the aspirants will be affected. It is obvious, already news रे किछि दिन तळे थिला, just fresh news तापरे यार जो एग्जामिनेशन प्रोसेस जो से जो केलेंकारी सब अच्छी जो डिलेइंग प्रोसेस अच्छी इट इज गोइंग टू अफेक्ट द confidence and sentiments of the aspirants definitely. Arguments in support of recruitments by OPSC. अच्छा ठीक अच्छे एते सारा पॉइंट्स अच्छी जे हाँ there is a possibility that government can shift the responsibility to Odisha Staff Selection Commission, but do you have any hope that OPSC exam करिबो? Yes, there is a bigger chance कि OPSC ही करिबो. We are actually in the mid of discussion. Okay, after 2014 if we see the statistics 2014 ପରେ 3 ଥର ରିକ୍ରୁଟମେଣ୍ଟ ହେଇଛି. 2014 ରେ ମଡିଫିକେସନ୍ସ ହେଲା, ତାପରେ 3 ଥର ରିକ୍ରୁଟମେଣ୍ଟ ହେଇଛି. 2016 ରେ ଗୋଟେ ରେଗୁଲାର ବ୍ୟାଚ୍ ଅଲମୋଷ୍ଟ 500 ଷ୍ଟ୍ରେନ୍ଥର, ତାପରେ ଗୋଟେ ସ୍ପେଶାଲ ବ୍ୟାଚ୍ 136 or 46 ସମଥିଙ୍ଗ ସ୍ପେଶାଲ ରିକ୍ରୁଟମେଣ୍ଟ ଗୋଟେ ହେଇଥିଲା. 2018 ରେ ପୁଣି ସରି ଭୁଲ କହିଲି, 2016 ରେ 800 समथिंग पोस्ट पे, तापर गोटे स्पेशल रिक्रुटमेंट, देन 2018 रे 500 पोस्ट पे रिक्रुटमेंट करिछि. एंड व्हिच इज द एग्जामिनेशन कंडक्टिंग अथॉरिटी, दैट इज ओपीएससी. ओपीएससी जदि मॉडिफिकेशन पर 3 थर करि परला, व्हाई नॉट द नेक्स्ट टाइम? सो वी हैव अ वेरी स्ट्रांग पॉइंट हियर दैट ओपीएससी इज गोइंग टू कंडक्ट द एग्जामिनेशन. देन द नेक्स्ट इज सी एएसओ पोस्ट और रिक्रुटमेंट प्रोसीजर, इट हैज बीन डिफाइंड. ओडिशा सेक्रेटरीट सर्विस रूल्स भितर डिफाइंड होइके अछि केमती रिक्रुटमेंट प्रोसेस हबो, कोन कोन से पूरा डिटेल रे मेंशन होइके अछि. इफ एनी मॉडिफिकेशन इज मेड और पैटर्न में किसी चेंज हला, देन कैबिनेट अप्रूवल may be required. Okay, and that's a very lengthy and tedious procedure, and I think government is going to strictly avoid this. It is not going to be very easy or बहुत जल्दी हबो. It is going to take a lot of time. Okay. The next point is, though OPSC is an independent body, still there are checks and balances. Government is the sole authority of appointment of members and amendment procedures and mandates of OPSC. So it can insist OPSC. आमे कहूचे, and it is a valid point that OPSC is an independent body, but still OPSC रो जो members recruitment होती सेतरे governor ताको appoint करती, and that recommendation is made by the current government. Okay, so and also there are a lot of तांकर जो मैंडेट जो भी परिवर्तन हुए, जहाँ भी किसी हुए, that is through a cabinet approval. से चेंजेस आसे तो से सब जिनस गवर्नमेंट रो विदाउट कंकरेंस रे किछि हुए नहीं. सो गवर्नमेंट कैन इंसिस्ट ओपीएससी टू कंडक्ट एएसओ एग्जामिनेशन. सो गवर्नमेंट हैज ए होल्ड. इट्स नॉट completely independent. You know, in democracy nobody is completely independent. It has certain checks and balances. That's how the constitution has been designed. Okay, so we have this is the notice. We have a meeting tomorrow that this is a big hope that tomorrow is something going to happen, something is going to be finalized. Okay, meeting on the chairman of chief secretary of government of Odisha has been scheduled tomorrow, that is 21st October 2020 at 4 PM. 4टा बेले करिवार अछि कहा सहित ना ओपीएससी सहित सेमानकर मीटिंग अछि, and it is we are quite hopeful that something positive is going to come out of this discussion. Okay, next आमे conclusion कौन नबा, कौन we will derive from this discussion, and what is our next step, what we should do. Okay, the fact is government is in the process of discussion with OPSC, and nothing can be said until anything official comes out. Tomorrow there is a discussion. It may take several rounds of discussion for any conclusive official announcement. Okay, so we have to wait till that point. We can't be impatient. Okay, aspirants should solely focus on the preparation without bothering about the examination conducting authority. Aspirants जो माने who are actually trying to get a post this time, they should not be bothered about this kind of announcements or who is going to conduct the examination, more कौन हबो कौन नहीं. Focus on the preparation, फोकस कि मते जहाँ भी हेले एइथर क्रैक करिवार अछि ओके ए सब न्यूज आसीबो जीवो जेतबे एग्जामिनेशन ओपीएससी जेतबे डिक्लेयर कर दबो एडवर्टाइजमेंट आसी जीवो किछि दिन परे देयर विल बी sect of people, there are few people who are going to spread a news that all the seats have been sold and you are not going to get through. ये सब जिनसे प्रति एग्जामिनेशन जोटा को टिके हाईलाइट हुए टिके a lot of people are aspiring about it, then सेमान को सही पोस्ट विषय रे एमती न्यूज आसे. So do not get affected, okay? Do not let anything affect your confidence and hope. ଆପଣ ଯଦି ଏଇ ସବୁ ନ୍ୟୁଜ୍ ଶୁଣିକି ଏଫେକ୍ଟେଡ୍ ହେବେ ତାହେଲେ ଆପଣଙ୍କର ଯେଉଁ ପ୍ରିପାରେସନ୍ ଅଛି ଯେଉଁ ପ୍ଲାନ୍ ଅଛି ଯେଉଁ କନସିଷ୍ଟେନ୍ସିରେ ଚାଲିଛି ପ୍ରିପାରେସନ୍ ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଗୋଇଂ ଟୁ ଗେଟ୍ ଏଫେକ୍ଟେଡ୍. ସୋ ଡୁ ନଟ୍ ଲେଟ୍ ୟୁର କନଫିଡେନ୍ସ ଆଣ୍ଡ ହୋପ୍ ଗେଟ୍ ଏଫେକ୍ଟେଡ୍. ଓକେ, always ask yourself one question: am I ready enough? And that's the go-to question you need to ask yourself every time there is a doubt in your mind. Okay, କାହିଁକି ନା କାଲି ଯଦି ଏକ୍ଜାମ୍ ହୁଏ, am I ready enough to crack it? ଯଦି ସେଇ କ୍ୱେଶ୍ଚନ୍ ର ଆନ୍ସର୍ ସବୁବେଳେ ଖୋଜି ଚାଲିବେ, the mind will never let you deviate from your track. ଆପଣ ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ଲାନ୍ କରିଛନ୍ତି ସେଇ ହିସାବରେ ପ୍ରିପାରେସନ୍ କରି ଚାଲିବେ. Let everything happen around you, let everything else flow in its own way. You do not be worried about it, you should not be worried about it. ଆପଣ ପ୍ରିପାରେସନ୍ କରି ଚାଲନ୍ତୁ. ଯେଉଁ ବି ଏକ୍ଜାମିନେସନ୍ ଯିଏ ବି କଣ୍ଡକ୍ଟ କରୁ, ଯେମିତି ବି ପ୍ରୋସେସ୍ ହଉ, there are 4 papers, it is going to be there anyhow. ଆପଣ ହାଇକୋର୍ଟ ଏସ୍ ଦେଖିଲେ there is little bit of change in the examination pattern, but still those 4 papers, aptitude, reasoning, English and GS, including the current affairs, they are going to be part of the examination, that is certain. So are you 100% ready? Are you at your best? So jodi sei jinso nijuku pachari chalibe, then you will never stop, you will never be affected by this kind of news.
So as you saw guys, nothing can be said at this point of time until anything official comes out. I hope that tomorrow some decision will come out, or it will take several rounds of discussion and finally we'll have the official announcement. Okay, so do not be bothered about all these things, do not be bothered about all this news that is floating around you. Just focus on your preparation. I want you guys to be prepared as soon as possible, irrespective of the fact that which commission is going to conduct the examination or what is going to be the examination pattern. I want you guys to be prepared as soon as possible. Okay, so all the best for your examination and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.